Hey there, I just wanted to show you this electric tankless water heater we got. Let's open up and check it out. In the box, you get a water heater, user manual, assembly kit, and mounting template. Tools that you'll need that are not included are the Phillips screwdriver, a hammer drill with concrete bits, a ruler, gloves, and a pencil. The installation dimensions are 7.88 inches wide by 12.87 inches high and 0.5 inches thick. This is a slim and modern design for easy installation anywhere. First, you'll want to figure out where you want to mount the water heating unit. You'll mark 4 mounting holes for the screws on the wall. Then use a concrete drill to drill in the holes. Make sure to drill to the depth of 0.24 inches in diameter and 1.02 inches in depth. Insert the screws into the upper 2 holes, leaving about 0.12 inches to 0.2 inches not tightly fastened. Using a screwdriver, remove the 4 screws at the top and the bottom of the front cover of the unit. And for easier installation, carefully unplug the display connect wire from the water heater connection. We did all this prior for easy installation. Then hang the unit on the 2 screws installed previously, securing the 2 lower screws and tighten the 2 upper screws. This on-demand electric hot water heater utilizes water-electricity separation to minimize scale and corrosion. It provides endless hot water in just 3 seconds with an impressive efficiency, potentially reducing electricity costs by up to 60%. The tankless water heaters are designed for a very long service life. Actual life expectancy will vary with the water quality and use. To ensure consistent water flow, it's recommended to periodically remove scale and dirt that may build up in the aerator of the faucets, the filter screen in the unit, or the heating canisters of the water heater. Periodically check the water quality supplied to the water heater. Water quality can have an impact on the appliance longevity. Of note, it does come with a 1-year full machine warranty. Periodically remove scale and dirt that may build up at the aerator of the faucet or at the shower head. There is a built-in filter at the inlet connection which should be cleaned from time to time. Please cut the water supply before doing this. If you live in hard water areas and you get a descale device installed prior to the tankless water heater, it's recommended you should annually change the filter for the descale device or do it according to the instructions of the manufacturer. Of note, any maintenance performed on the water heater unit may introduce air into the plumbing lines. It's important to purge all the air out before powering on again. If you have a water supply with high levels of mineralization, you should increase the frequency of your maintenance. Check the declare device regularly to see it's functional. Do not use thinner, alcohol, petrol, or any organic solutions to clean the set. Only use a damp cloth with mild detergent. This unit is set up for 1/2-inch NPT water connections, both hot and cold. After turning off your home's main water connection, you're ready to tie in both the hot and water connections. The built-in chip adjusts heating power 20,000 times per second, keeping water temperatures stable within 1 degree Fahrenheit for a comfortable shower experience. Using the arrows on the box, you can simply adjust the temperature by 1 degree if you need to for precision temperature control. The smart sensors keep water perfectly stable even when restarted. The spiral heating element allows for high efficiency and less scale. It's lead-free, durable, and energy-saving design. This makes it a great addition to any home water needs. Before beginning any work on electric installation, be sure the main breaker panel switches are off to avoid any danger of electric shock. All mounting and plumbing must be completed before proceeding with electrical hookup. The unit must be properly grounded in accordance with state and local codes or absence of such codes in accordance with National Electric Code or the Canadian Electric Code. This unit requires input voltage of 240 volts. It does not work on 110 volts. This has 14 kilowatts wattage and a minimum required circuit breaker size of 60 amps. This unit must be connected to one set of 240 volts power. Each set power needs to be connected to a 2-pole breaker. The recommended wire size is 1 × 6 AWG. As seen here, the wire must be fed through the cord clamp. The live wires must be connected to the slots on the terminal block. This tankless electric water heater features a high-definition screen with soft lighting for easy temperature adjustments between 86 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It also displays real-time temperature changes. With its compact size, this electric water heater saves over 50% of space compared to traditional tank water heaters, fitting easily into most corners of your home. This provides up to 3.38 GPM of on-demand endless hot water and ensures comfortable hot water for 2 to 3 points of use simultaneously. The Tankless hot water heater is ETL certified and packed with advanced safety features, including leakage protection, over-temperature protection, dry heating protection, and lightning resistance. Once installed, this water heater provides endless hot water on demand. It provides instant heat with strong water flow. It's energy efficient and has anti-scale benefits. It's equipped with a high-efficiency thermal converter that rapidly heats within seconds. No preheating is required for the endless hot water supply. This tankless water heater can be used for multiple points at one time. Someone can be taking a shower, while doing the dishes, while doing a load of laundry, all while providing ample hot water supply. It's designed with safety in mind. Multiple tests have been done to meet national safety standards. We got this unit as a replacement for a standard tank water heater. We often run out of hot water if everyone in our family takes a shower or if we're doing laundry or dishes all around the same time. We were looking for an alternative for all our hot water needs. This tankless water heater provides an endless supply of hot water and a great solution for our family for those times when multiple uses of hot water is needed. With planning ahead for all the pieces that were needed for installation, we were able to install this unit in a few hours, which provided hot water in no time. The versatility of being able to use multiple water devices at once is wonderful. It also continues to maintain pressure as well as temperature even with hours of use. This unit has multiple sensors, a temperature sensor, a water inlet flow rate sensor, and an AI temperature control chip, so there's no fluctuations even if restarted midway. The high-definition screen shows real-time display of machine operating conditions. It has sensitive touch buttons and it's very easy to manipulate. The new generation of spiral heating element not only is more efficient but also leakage-proof. It avoids short-circuiting, improves efficiency, and prevents scaling. Overall, this unit seems to be a good value for your money. It was relatively easy to install once you have all the appropriate pieces needed. It provides good safety features and is simple to use. It's nice to be able to change the temperature settings for a fit to your family, and the water pressure remains stable. You do have to know about electric and plumbing and proper connections and fittings to be able to install it yourself. Even with the instruction manual, there is quite a bit of knowledge required outside of the basic instructions. However, the unit itself is very straightforward and the layout for installation is very simple. The installation warning is 60 AWG wire requirements, 60 amp breaker requirements, 14 kilowatts wattage, and a 1/2 inch MPT water connection. You can adjust the water temperature to the desired level using the knob on the front cover of the unit. Turn on hot water and wait 20 seconds until temperature has stabilized. To commission the water heater, open the hot water faucet for a few minutes until water flow is continuous and all air is purged from the water pipes. The unit's cover must be installed before the circuit breakers are turned on. After completing all plumbing and electrical connections, reconnect the display cable to the water heater connector, install the front cover, and tighten all 4 upper and lower screws with a screwdriver. As you can see here, once we turned on the water, there was a little air in the line which needed to be removed before starting the unit. After that, we powered on the unit, adjusted the temperature, and we were ready to go. The pressure remained stable throughout. After the device is powered on, there will be a beep sound and the appliance keeps on standby. It also has a screensaver mode after 30 seconds. You can check the water temperature with your hand to make sure it does not feel too hot and reduce it if necessary. The up and down arrows on the unit adjust the outlet water temperature. The setting range is 86 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has a button to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius temperature display mode. This product has an automatic memory function to avoid repeated operations. When you turn on the appliance, the temperature is set by default, which is the same as the previous setting. If the unit has been paused, you may initially get a short burst of very hot water when you turn it on again. Please run the water through for a few seconds to let the temperature settle down. Please check the hot water with your hand before taking a shower.